The Unilever Petone factory currently supplies laundry powder to Unilever Australasia. Approximately 70% of our volume is sent to Australia. We had a challenge to find a way to economically ship base powder around the Unilever world to Australia from a factory in Thailand. And the normal method of using 1 cubic metre flexible IBC bags was uneconomic, and we needed to find a different way. Our truck driver actually told me that he'd seen a container tipper in a local scrap metal yard. And when I investigated that a bit further, I discovered AWARD. The experience I had with AWARD was really constructive. We had a long engagement to iterate a design. Once our engineers had looked at the concept, they were confident that it could work. Mitelt is a container tipping frame. We've integrated that with our designed hopper, which they've built for us, and also integrated that system into our Unilever factory as a retrofit in Petone and as a new install in the Sydney factory.
As you can see, it's a big piece of kit, fully loaded up with a container. It's around about 50 tonnes, and you can quite easily feel threatened by it. But in actual fact, it's relatively easy to use. A couple of days on it with practice, with using the remote, it's quite a simple bit of kit.
Really, the responsiveness and willingness to work with us and support us through the safety management systems, hazard analysis of this new technology was really helpful. Once the machine was installed and commissioned, AWARD provided support for us in terms of training and ongoing education as we fine-tune the process. It was a learning curve for us, but they were always available when we needed them to be.
Oh, it's a very easy system to use. The remote's easy to operate. Our technicians here probably took equivalent to about 4 to 6 hours of training. And once you've done the manual interface part, the Mitelt takes over, and it's simple after that.
For the bulk handling process, the Mitelt solution is a game changer. The standard FIBC 1 cubic metre bag, we can fit 11 bags in a 20-foot container, and that's approximately 11 tonnes of product. In the full container, using the AWARD loading process, we can fit 19 tonne. We're 80% more efficient, approximately, in terms of shipping economics. It's enabled us to provide a supply chain solution for Australasia, but also has identified future opportunities for Unilever globally.
We've put nearly 100 containers through here now, and the machine itself's been extremely reliable.
It was right first time, and it's continued to be 100% successful. So we're very confident of the process and that it's robust and reliable.
Using current format of 20-foot containers, this is really the only way to manage it and handle it safely, and to ensure that our process doesn't get interfered with and disrupted.
Just the cultural understanding that we had was just a common way of looking at problems and really identifying solutions. It's very easy to be a problem finder, not so easy to be a solution finder.